This is a short, unedited video showing the ease of the installation of a ThermaPANEL system utilizing the new ThermaTRAK attachment system. The installer snaps chalk lines at 2 feet on center across the ceiling area, perpendicular to the framing, of course, and that allows for the alignment of the center of each track. You then attach the supplied clips with 2 framing screws to the end of each row and at 4 feet on center throughout the length of the track. The tracks are 8 feet long and they easily lift and clip right into place onto the clips. They're so easy, in fact, that an 8-year-old child can easily lift and snap these in by himself, as you can see in the video. This was the owner's son, and he was thrilled to be helping us with this. Once they're installed, then the panels will be lifted into place utilizing a sheetrock lift, which we'll show you here shortly. Okay, we're getting ready to put in row 8A, which goes right here. So we find in the box the row 8A, and they're labeled in that printed area. And we have placed row 8A onto this little wood stretcher that we created that will sit on top of the sheetrock lift, and it won't move around. It'll make it stable. So in order to do that, this will fold out onto there, and on the plan we've got row 8A here, and what we want to do is find which end is supply, which end is return. So you can see an orange line here that's coming into 8A. So the end of 8A has a little red cap on it showing you that's the supply end. So that's where that wants to be. Row 8B, all right, because it's 8 is one loop going to and from the manifold. So the supply line comes in here, comes down here, and it's going to do a quick connect between 8A and B, back to here, and then you'll see the blue line connects to 8B, which returns to the manifold. So now Stan is going to unfold the panels onto the stretcher just by lifting them and unfolding them very easily. And the S-shaped tube allows you to do that, allows them to fold and twist along this axis. And they're zip tied here and here so they can be stretched apart and moved without straining the fusion welded connection points. So that's ready to get lifted up onto the sheetrock lift.